This is diarrhea that has affected this male. This male has had a consistent diarrhea almost more than 2 weeks. So the male was diarrhealing, but we find out solution. Yeah, we have treated it. We have used the S-dime bolars because we've tried the S-dime liquid, but it has not helped. So we have tried the S-dime bolars together with the kaolin powder, and then we injected the biosilin, and it has stopped diarrheaing. Now we have dewormed it, both injectable and oral, to see if there are worms disturbing the male. I don't think it is worm. I think it has some problem in the stomach. But the goat is faring now well. We are also continue giving it some electrolytes, so that we can give it energy because of dehydration. It has lost a lot of energy. So that's it. Yeah. So when you have a problem with persistent diarrhea, that's how you work it out. You see this male, it was very big, but now it has become a small male due to diarrhea. The rest of the goats are okay. Yeah, no much. The health of the goat is okay. It's only the rain that is affecting them. But basically the goats are okay. So we had that problem of diarrhea. So when you encounter diarrhea, that's what has helped me. So you can try it and see if it can work for you. I don't know, but for me, that has worked. Thank you. Keep subscribing, continue watching my videos and sharing. You see this combination of the kaolin powder together with the amoxicillin 15% and the S-dime bolars. It has really worked well on my goats. That is in the cases of diarrhea, severe diarrhea, because I've had severe diarrhea. So this is what has worked for me. So when you have severe diarrhea, you can also try this like me, because it has worked for me and I really recommend.